going to create a Triceratops.
What do we need is clay. We're going to use low fire clay.
Also, you'll need a wooden board to rotate your sculpture and some water for scoring. We're going to use these tools, these wooden tools that we made on our channel, so you can go check one of our videos out.
Thank you so much. All right, so let's start the project. Now, we do have a ball of clay, okay? And then we're going to separate the half, okay? And then with this, we're going to create an egg shape. And that's gonna be the Triceratops body. So everybody's ready with the egg shape? Excellent. So the next step, we're going to create the legs, the 2 front and the 2 back legs. Now what do we have to do? We're going to create 4 cylinder shape, okay? So let's go back to our original clay, grab a small amount of clay, not too big, and Emma, you can tell how we can make a cylinder.
So how you make it is you get your clay and make a little ball, then roll it against with your hands. You'll get this kind of shape. Make sure it's not too long. And then repeat that 4 times. Make sure to pat the bottoms of it and the top to make it smooth. So we are done with the 4 cylinders, and now we're going to score. How to score? You get a sharp tool or just some sort of tool and put some water on it and start just poking it and kind of scratching your clay. Do that to both of your things that you're going to stick it to.
I'm going to score in the second leg, the second front leg. Wonderful. Let's go score. That's very important to create a slip, because that's gonna be our glue, which is hold together the 2 body parts. So it's very important scoring.
And then you can merge it together.
That's right. So you merge the body parts together, so you won't see attaching line.
If you guys want to have a suggestion for something you want us to make, go to my mom's website. It will be at the end of the video, and you can text us from there.
Can we show?
Don't make it fall.
Okay. So this is how we look like right now. Okay, so we attach to the body the 4 legs. Okay, so the next we're going to create the Triceratops tail. Okay, so what we have to do, we're going to create another cylinder, and it has to be a little bit bigger than the leg, what we just created, okay? So we just grab a nice amount of clay, a small amount of clay, sorry, and then we create a cylinder, and then with your pointy finger and then with your thumb, you're going to create a pointy end, okay?
Or you can just roll it around your hands.
Okay, now once you are happy with your tail, now you're going to score to the end of the Triceratops body. It's gonna be attached to the body. Excellent. Okay. Nice. Looking awesome. Awesome, guys. Okay, everybody finished? Okay, everybody finished? Great. Now we're going to create the neck. Now, take a small amount of clay, and then you create a ball, okay? And from that, a little cylinder, and then it has to be a short cylinder, just like that. So it's a little cylinder. And then we're going to attach it to the other end of the body. Okay, and of course we have to score it, yes, the 2 body parts together. Okay, creating a slip, and we just merge the 2 forms together. Okie dokie. Alright, so the next step, this is how we look like right now. The next step, it's gonna be the head. So what we have to do, we're going to grab again a small amount of clay. It has to be twice as big like the neck, what we use for the neck, okay? And then we create an egg shape with it. Okay, another egg shape. All right, everybody finished? Everybody finished with an egg? Okay. So what are we going to do? We're going to score it to the neck. So let's go score the neck and under the head, and then simply we just join together the two shape. Okay, there you go, and then we merge it. Excellent. Okay, so this is how we look like right now. Okay, the head is attached. Wonderful. So next, we're going to create the Triceratops head bones. It's really a bone, right?
Yeah.
Which is, it look like a fan or something.
It's like the lion's thing, but like for a dinosaur.
Okay, so let's go grab some clay. The same amount like what you used for the head, and then you're creating a ball, and then you're going to flatten on a flat surface, okay, this ball. Once this the pancake shape is done, you're going to cut it in half. Okay, we'll cut it in half, and then you're going to place this half pancake around the neck, just like that. Okay, there, and then you're going to attach it to the neck. Make sure to score. Let's see what we have. Isn't it cute? Okay, next step, we're going to put on the head the 3 horns. Okay, so grab a very small amount of clay, you don't need too much, and then you're creating again a cylinder shape, pointing out one end, okay, and then you place it top of the head, like usually where the ears are,
But they don't have.
but they don't have. Yeah.
Yeah, actually they do.
I know they do. I mean, I'm sure they do have ears,
Somewhere.
but I haven't seen a Triceratops. Where is the?
Somewhere far in the galaxy.
And then you repeat the other side as well. The same amount of clay and the same shape. Pointy end, and then you're going to score, join through the head. Very good. The third horn, it's gonna be above the front lip, so somewhere here. Okay, on the front end of the head, just like that. Okay. So our horn are placed. And then we're going to create the Triceratops mouth. So we're going to have a sharp tool, and then we cut in half, somewhere in the middle, okay? Front of the head, okay? And then we're going to pinch the upper lip and the lower lip as well. So it does look like a beak. That's right. Just okay, now let's go point it out, the eyes. Now the eyes is down below the horns. Okay, 1 and 2, and the nose is under the front. You can make the Triceratops foot by pressing down the clay, creating a foot.
Also, they have these kind of spikes. So you can just put a little dent sort of like in the clay, and it'll make kind of little spike things, and they look really cool.
Okie dokie, this is how we look like.
So now we're going to put them in the can to dry, and we'll be back when we're glazing. Bye for now.
Bye.
So we have the successful firing, and today we're going to glaze our Triceratops.
So what do we need is glaze, we do have brushes and water. Now I give you a color suggestion. Here we go. And I decided to color my Triceratops cinnamon brown, and the horns going to be white color.
Mine is gonna be probably a green. So guys, this is a really cool thing you can do. You just get a brush, put some green on it, and then put it like around the foot, and it looks like grass. So that's probably what I'm gonna do with the green, and it might be blue, but I'm not sure.
And I'm gonna make my Triceratops a bullfrog green. It looks like a red now, but when it's a high temperature, it'll turn to a green.
So make sure to apply 3 coats of glaze to your sculpture, because in the can, if you add only 1 coat, it won't really show the color. So make sure to add 3 coats.
Why? So we applied our 3 coats, and now we're gonna put it in the can for the second firing.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to stay for the slideshow after. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!